Hello, in this video we're going to perform a fingerprint sensor test on Redmi 15C and Redmi 15. Alright, so in this video also we tried to find out which fingerprint is simply better, which one is more reliable, and for example which one works faster in comparison on both devices. So first let me lock both of the devices. It's going to be hard to unlock both devices at the same time using the fingerprint, because the fingerprint sensor isn't located right in here. It's located on the power button, which is right in here on both devices. So let's try to unlock our devices at the same time. Let me try to grab both devices, so I'll be able to show you. I hope so. So now I'll place both fingers on both sensors at the same time, and we will try which sensor works simply better. So I'm going to place them. Sometimes it even takes a few tries. It says try again on both devices. Okay, the Redmi 15 worked better, but in here it still doesn't want to unlock. Okay, finally. So as you can see, it took a few tries on the Redmi 15C until it unlocked, while on the Redmi 15 I think it unlocked at the second try. So let's perform this test again. Let me clean the sensors. So we will make sure that they're both in good condition and that they are not dirty. Okay, so let's try again. Let me pick up both devices. Let's go into the lock screen and let's try to unlock them at the same time. As you can see, even on both devices, the fingerprint sensor isn't reliable. Okay, on the 15C it worked, but on the 15 I had to draw my lock screen to unlock, because I had too many attempts of trying to unlock the device. Let's try again. Okay, the Redmi 15 worked, while on 15C again I had to take another try. Okay, so let's perform the last test and we will see which works better. When it comes to the speed, I think it's really similar to each other, but I'll also try to unlock both devices separately, so we'll be able to maybe see the difference in the better way. Okay, let's try to unlock. Okay, and this time both devices unlocked at the same time, actually. So of course sometimes it depends from how you place your finger, from which angle. It's really hard to do it at the same time, but it takes a few tries. When it comes to the speed of unlocking the device, I think it was practically the same. So everything depends how you place your finger and how the sensor will work. Because sometimes, as you could see, it doesn't even want to load my finger and doesn't want to get unlocked. Alright, so now maybe let's try with unlocking the devices separately. Let's begin with the Redmi 15. So I'll only open up the I'll turn on the screen. Now I'll place the finger. Okay, this time it was really fast. Now let's try on the Redmi 15, on the 15C, And as you can see, in this case, it also worked pretty nice. So I think there was a chance that when I was holding both devices at the same time, the fingerprint sensors didn't want to scan my fingerprint properly. But when it comes to the speed and accuracy in this test, let's try again. Let's begin with the 15C, with the 15. So I'll place the finger, and the phone gets unlocked immediately. Now let's try with the 15C. And again, it was really accurate and similar to each other. So when it comes to the fingerprint sensor, in my opinion, it is really similar to each other and works in a good way. Okay, maybe now let's try to unlock our device when our finger is wet, because using the fingerprint sensor in this example might be a little bit harder than normally. So I'll wet my fingers. And now let's try to unlock maybe the Redmi 15 first. Okay, it worked after a 5th try, something like that. Now let's try on the Redmi 15C. The phone also vibrates when it doesn't unlock properly. Okay, I think in here it was also the 4th or 5th attempt. So you should remember that you should keep your fingers dry, because if they are wet, or for example when the sensor is wet, it might didn't work properly, and it takes a few tries before the devices unlock. Alright, so for me, as a final result, both devices are pretty accurate to each other. When it comes to the day-to-day unlocking, when I was showing you before, when I was placing the fingers separately on both devices, this sensor worked pretty nice, and the phone get unlocked at the first try. It was a little bit harder when I was trying to hold and unlock devices at the same time, because sometimes the Redmi 15C didn't want to work properly, and then the Redmi 15 didn't want to get unlocked. But when it comes to the day-to-day use and comparison separately, both devices work pretty good, and they are really similar to each other. There are no big differences. So when you're wondering about the fingerprint sensor, I'm going to clearly say that on those devices they are really, I would say, practically the same, and they work pretty okay. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.